Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious hot chocolate shake. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. For that perfect frosty texture, add about 1/2 cup of ice. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the chocolatey goodness. Having everything chilled ensures a wonderfully refreshing shake. Let's get blending. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to blend them into a creamy delight. Carefully pour the milk, cocoa powder, sugar, ice, and vanilla extract into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want a smooth, frothy consistency with no ice chunks remaining. Taste it, and if you prefer it sweeter, add an extra 1/2 teaspoon of sugar and blend briefly again. This step is key for that perfect shake texture. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this video helpful and enjoying these tips, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, if you're into making delicious treats like this, you'll love these leak-proof meal prep containers. They're perfect for storing ingredients or even a batch of your shake base for later. Check the description for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Your amazing hot chocolate shake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the thick, frothy mixture into your favorite tall glass. To make it extra special, add some delicious toppings. A generous dollop of whipped cream is always a classic choice. You could also sprinkle on some chocolate shavings or drizzle a bit of chocolate syrup. Remember, this shake is best served immediately while it's perfectly cold and creamy. Enjoy every sip of your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.